Them not ready yet. Boy, the wilderness look away. One if me can take it answer. Can't believe this, my viewers. Seems like me last. Right. Buck up on 1-2 road there, I don't know which one me did take, you know. I go take one, you know. I go take one. Anyway, me hand up.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, I want to know someone go up on your mountain top here. Go up on your mountain top here in your hills and valley. I see me find one stick. Need a stick to pick jelly higher. Have some jelly me can't afford for them dry. Because when them dry, them spoil. So I go drink off the jelly off of the tree. Buck up on one guinea tree. I wonder if them fit, sir. I wonder if them fit. Now bush, me test it. See if them fit. Yes, I test the guinea up. I test the guinea up if them fit, you know. Them not ready yet. Them not ready yet at all. Them want about 3 more. About 3 more months them want. Alright? Guinea up. Yeah, them want go look ready, but them not ready yet. Yeah man, them not ready yet at all. Alright. Me I kinda trod the mountainside here. Want one nice little stick man and me can pick some jelly off of my coconut tree. You know what I mean? I drink 1 jelly a day, you know, man. When me have it enough, me drink 2. Boy, the wilderness look away. Wonder if me can take it answer. I have on the right gears now, but you don't know. I tell you, rough fire. Rough you go in a bush, you know. Rough. Wonder if me can make it, sir. I might try. Yeah, man, make it turn that one wire, you know. Make it turn that one wire. I go on, I want some tree, you know. Yeah. Want a little post. Want a little stick to pick some jelly higher. Can't make the jelly them stay up on the tree and get hard. When them dry, them not good. Can't afford that. So me I look one nice little stick in the bush. Trust me, my people. Yeah. I love walk the hills and valleys, you know. You don't know, it's all about the Cockpit Country. We inside the Cockpit Country, you know what I mean? Yeah, we inside the Cockpit Country, my people. So yeah man, whole heap of tree, you know? Whole heap of, well, no, I can't find nothing yet, star. Don't want nothing, nothing too big. Don't want nothing too heavy. You know what I mean? I need something we can just carry down with these because right now I can't take no more pressure right now. Just want a nice little sticker me can use to pick some jelly, my people. Yes, Yes, my viewers and subscribers. It's not an easy task, and it's not an easy task in the wilderness here by yourself. Sometimes when I son at you, some little dopey, some little careless dopey we give a check. So what I say, I don't know if you understand when I say dopey. Yeah man, dopey, it's all about dopey. Now look at post, my people. Nice little stick. Yeah. Cut me way through same way. So it's set up. Why? You blow sharp. You blow sharp. Breeze a blow up your sharp too, you know. Yes, I. See? It's not an easy task. It's not an easy task, my people. When you're traveling through the bush, searching for what you not put on. Yeah? Alright, my people, I reach for one view now. I'm going to show you a view where they go on. Right, you know, I have a nice view right now, my people. Watch you know. Yes, I. Over there is the community center. Yeah, man, over there is the community center, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright. I go way a Mackil. Up on the top there. Mackil hill that. A Mackil? Look like a top town or a Mackil. One of them places, my people. My viewers. Alright. Down the flat here. It's all about Hyde. Hyde road that, you know. Yeah. Down this Hyde road. But over this look like a Mackil, man. Yeah, man. Look like Mackil, my people. Alright. It's all about a nice view. Nice view, nice place. Alright, my people. Me na hill ya. Yeah, man, this maca, my viewers, this maca is the Cowan maca. Yeah, man, this is the Cowan maca. When this wall don't let you go, you know. Yeah, Cowan maca, my people. Yeah, man, for real. Me in a busha. Still a search if me find a post. Still searching, you know. Yeah. Yes, sir. So it's set up, my people. Can't go more than so. Just one little stick me I look for pick 2 jelly, man. Nothing more. Alright, my people. When I find the stick, me make you know. Want to know, say me find one little one. I find a little nice line stick and I go work with it. Find a little line stick. I go work with it, alright? Yeah, my viewers. Yeah. Nice trim down, you know. See it here? Nice stick. Nice line stick, you know. Yeah, man, nice line stick. Alright, me need a stick now for pick jelly. Still a search, my people. Still a search for a nice stick for pick jelly, you know what I mean? Still a search, my people. Want a nice stick for pick jelly. Whoa, that is a straight one. Little bit short. Little bit short. Still searching. Still searching. Whoa, there's a lot here. Which one to choose? There's a lot here, but whoa. Most of them short. Most of them short, my people, and most of them small, most of them big. Whoa. Nice little one here, but it have on too much bend. I want too much bend, my people. Whoa. Too much bend, my people. Alright, still searching, my people. Look nice, look nice, look nice, my viewers. Look nice, look nice, look nice. I'll go put the machete underneath it. Right. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. You know what this mean? This mean 1 jelly a day. Cause me have stick now, so I can pick me jelly them. Sight, it's all about 1 jelly a day, my people. And you don't know it's all about jelly water. Best thing for the human body. Sight. Can't believe this, my viewers. You want to know say me come up in the bush and it seems like say me last. Right. Buck up on 1 2 road there, I don't know which one me did take, you know. But guess what? I go take one, you know. I go take one. Anyway, me hand up. 2 entrance. 1 down here. 1 up here. My God. Me last, me I go look for some footstep, you know. Look for some footstep. Me not see no footstep here, so. Me not see no footstep here, so. No. Me not walk here, so, because me not see no footstep. No, sir. Me not see no footstep here, sir. I'll take the next entrance here, sir. I know me can't believe, you know. Last in this bush, I know too much pass. My God, look at this pass here. I don't remember traveling on this road, you know. I don't remember traveling on this road, but me go take it, you know. Me go take it. Yeah, man. Yes, I. Buck up on some whole heap more road now. Which one we take? Me coming from that one. You know what? Kind of see like me, I see light out, so you know, so me I go straight ahead there, sir. Can't take your last thing, you know. Can't take your last thing, I'll pay a foot, me I see. Right, me people. Yes, me people. Here is light, me people. Light. Me no last again, but I ran the wrong road me take, brother. The wrong road. I hope here some walk go up the hill. Yeah. Show you me people, some walk go up the hill. Wrong road me take. Last. Me can't believe me last. It's so easy, man, last. I hear some walk. Me people. Can't believe it. Anyway, me see the road. Alright. So yes, my viewers and subscribers, me I do road. See? So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Reach back a June plum, gin up tree. Me reach back. Me no last again. Alright, my viewers, me I take a 5. That is the reason why, you know. You see, most of the time in the year, some people say them go someplace and last. It's not an easy task. You can last anyway. Because enough time me last all in my house. Very small. 1 room, 1 bathroom, and 1 little beanie kitchen. Sometimes me last inside. Trust me. Test our next gin up again, see if them ready. Because I want to look big. So what I say? Alright. It not ready. 3 more months. My viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out, alright? You don't know, it's all about jelly. I go up a yard now, go drink jelly. Because I have stick, you can pick jelly. Alright, people? So you don't know, if you want a line stick, or you want a jelly stick, Jamaican Farmers Hut, just give me a shout. So yes, my viewers and subscribers, thank you for watching, alright?